Stop, Peter. Stop.
Good shit. Going in on them, huh?
I hate you. I really do.
You going in right now, huh? You getting the deep, like a dead-eye sniper in this bitch with a bow and arrow. Look at this skull.
Bitch always trying to get mine. Shit! Shit! Alright.
You gonna beat it this time?
Mm-hmm.
I sure hope so, because I'm tired of seeing you lose at this one.
Fuck you.
You need, look, she need 1,200 to get the 3 stars. She got 1080 last time. And this is only match 2, by the way. Come on, baby. Let's go in. You going in right now?
Yeah.
Say you finna go in on camera.
Finna go in. And go hard.
We got Jackson versus Bell. Start. Jackson with 80. Hell nah, Bell. What the fuck do you think he was doing? Focused.
Fuck! Yes, bitch. Ooh. Stop fucking recording. Stop fucking recording me. Oh, bitch, you thought you was just gonna grab my watermelon? Yeah, right, bitch. Turn it off!
Look, she won. She got the 3 stars. 16 out of 15, or 15 out of 16 shots. 3 stars. Booyah.
Booyah.
That's what's up.